So we just did a video on forming ionic bonds, and now I want to talk to you about how you form covalent bonds and the difference. We talked about how an ionic bond is the complete transfer of an electron. However, in covalent bonds, it's the sharing of electrons. So none of them are better than the other. They both kind of want the electrons, so they're not going to completely give them up. In a covalent molecule, it's two nonmetals, so we don't have to worry about charges. As I said in the last video, metals have a positive charge and nonmetals have a negative charge. But in this one, we're dealing with two nonmetals, so we don't really care about the charge. And rather than the charge, we are going to care about valence instead. Valence electrons are what we actually care about. So let's go through the difference between a charge and a valence electron. So here's my cheating periodic table, right? So the charge, as you go from left to right, is +1 with the column with lithium, +2 with the column with beryllium, +3, and we really only care about aluminum. Boron's going to do its own thing that we'll talk about later. So we don't really care about boron's charge, but we care about aluminum, and aluminum has a +3. Carbon doesn't really have a charge. It has a valence, has 4 valence electrons, which we'll talk about in a few minutes,